Do your numbers dance for you? Let Dancing Numbers handle them for you. Manually entering data into QuickBooks takes time and effort, from bank transactions to invoices, bills, expenses, and journal entries. Managing everything manually can slow your business down. With Dancing Numbers, you can quickly import, export, delete, and modify QuickBooks data in just a few clicks. Import customers, vendors, items, chart of accounts, transactions, and more, fast and error-free. Exporting data is just as simple. Whether you need reports, analysis, backup, or migration, click Export, select what you need, and you're done. Dancing Numbers also helps you delete unwanted transactions, modify incorrect entries, and update existing data inside QuickBooks. Save time, reduce manual work, and manage QuickBooks smarter with Dancing Numbers. Contact our experts or visit Dancing Numbers today.